Hey everyone, this is Ieasha of Decor and Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am participating in a close collaboration, and this collaboration is hosted by Creations by Simone. Now I have all the links in the description box below because she has asked a lot of us to be bridesmaids and to decorate for a guest table or either a bride and groom table. All right, so I decorated for a bride and groom table, and I have all of we call the I Do crew. So I have all of the links to the channels to the I Do crew in the description box below, so make sure you go and check out everyone's channel. I hope that you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and after you watch this video, make sure you go over to the other I Do crew videos to make sure you check out their videos and see what they have done. All right, so I hope that you all have an amazing Saturday, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. Alright y'all, so I have decorated in the beautiful colors of pink. I have added some green and some blue. Now, like I always tell y'all, to always add in the colors that the bride and groom love. I know most of us always try to put the colors that the bride like, but it's also great to add some of the colors that the groom like. And so my husband and I have been married for 18 years now. We just had an anniversary, so I kind of did this for us, and my husband loved blue, so that's why I just incorporated a little blue into my decor. All right,